straight out, hey, how much extra do they take? They talk about liver tissue. They talk about, they didn't talk about the fluids in the eyes, the vitreous fluids, right?
Right.
Could there be a possibility that they left some of the things that they took off of that report? Well, why would they do that? I would think it would be full disclosure, no?
Yeah. I don't know that that's the full report. I mean, like I said, I've seen the forensic pathology report from the OCME, and it looks nothing like this. And it's an independent report. It doesn't get commingled with the death scene report. It doesn't get commingled with the crime scene report. Right. It's a standalone report. It's not all encompassing like this. I've never seen anything like this.
Medico-legally, if a medical document, does not contain information, it wasn't done. So, since there are many pieces of information from the physical, macroscopic, and microscopic autopsy of Kiely Rodni missing, as a medical professional, licensed and board certified, I would have to say, per best practices, in my profession, it wasn't done.
The mechanism of drowning is not just that you don't have air. That when the when the water goes into your lungs, it goes through the tiny cells, the alveoli, into your bloodstream. Let's just look at it from a common sense perspective. A living person who is drowning, they not only inhale lots of water, but they swallow water as well. It's like a reflex. So their stomach will have a good deal of water in it.